how can you share sound over Zoom for the people who are in your meeting? Well, it's possible to do that. How do you do that? You just come here where it says share, and usually you start where it says screens, jump to advanced, and go to where it says computer audio. Here you have an option to choose the type of audio you want to play. Stereo is good for high quality sound. And the next thing that you need to do here is to click share. So if music is playing on your computer, it is automatically shared. Where would you find it? If you come here to the top, you see here it says my computer sound. So the people who are within your meeting will only see this part. They won't see anything else, but they will hear the music that you are playing on your computer. So once you are finished playing the music, you can just click X here and it stops playing that music. So that's how you do it. Hope this video helps.